In a recent interview to English news channel Times Now, Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut said that she was forced to vote for the Shiv Sena in the polls in spite of being a BJP supporter because there was no BJP button in the EVM because of their alliance. She then asserted that in spite of voting for the Shiv Sena, she's being treated this way, referring to her ongoing tussle with Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut, which has snowballed into a massive fight. But the funny bit is, Kangana's own experience is factually incorrect because there was no Shiv Sena candidate in her constituency during the polls. Now, since in the interview she did not mention which election she was talking about specifically, we will show you the data from her constituency of both the assembly and parliamentary elections from 2009 to 2019. The fact is, in most of the elections between 2009 to 2019, the BJP and the Shiv Sena were in an alliance except for the assembly elections of 2014. In that case, which election was Kangana referring to when she said that she was forced to vote for the Shiv Sena? To find out, we accessed Ranaut's voting data available on the Election Commission website and found that her parliamentary constituency is Mumbai North Central, whereas her assembly constituency is Bandre West. We then checked the details of the 2009, 2014 and 2019 Assembly and Lok Sabha elections to see if her claims add up. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP and the Shiv Sena were in an alliance and the candidate fielded from Kangana Ranaut's constituency was Poonam Mahajan from the BJP. She then went on to win that election. The 2014 Lok Sabha elections too, the Shiv Sena and the BJP were in an alliance and had then also fielded Mahajan, who also won that election. In the 2009 Lok Sabha elections as well, there was no Shiv Sena candidate from Kangana's constituency. Now, let's look at the assembly election. In the 2019 assembly election, the two parties again contested together and the candidate fielded in Ranaut's constituency was again from the BJP. In the 2009 assembly polls, the two parties were in a seat sharing agreement and, no points for guessing, there was no Shiv Sena candidate in Ranaut's constituency in that election either. In 2014, the BJP and the Shiv Sena were not in alliance and there were separate candidates from the BJP as well as the Shiv Sena. In that election, the Sena's Vilas Chauri lost the poll to the BJP's Ashish Shelar. Therefore, in Ranaut's constituencies in the last 10 years, there was always a BJP candidate fielded when the BJP and the Shiv Sena were in alliance. Her claims, therefore, do not add up. To make matters worse, when India Today's deputy editor Kamlesh Sutar took to Twitter to debunk Ranaut's claims, the latter threatened him with legal action. In a series of now deleted tweets, Kangana hit back saying that she was referring to the Lok Sabha elections and not the assembly election. However, as we have shown earlier, that doesn't make much sense either. The Mumbai Press Club has since taken cognizance of Ranaut's threats and has condemned her action. If there are any such videos, photos or information that you would like to get verified, WhatsApp us at 96436511818 or write in to us at webproof@thequint.com. Until then, like, share and subscribe to The Quint and don't be a webproof.